Ako naglo-look forward na nga ako sa modern ghosts, eh.
Paano modern direct?
Kasi 'di ba, mga ghosts na nakikita natin laging from the previous century, luma yung suot. Parang hinihintay ko yung ghost na
Ganyan yung suot mo.
naka-Jordans na. My name is Mikael Red and I'm the filmmaker, director of Dilim.
Hi guys, I'm Heaven Perelejo and I played Isa in Lilim.
So, may summoning ba na magaganap or production design? Ganda na immersive. Ganun.
Ready ka na, Direk?
Yeah.
Gusto ko nang marinig yung comments ni Direk. Sabi niya, I'm Filipino, and our culture is heavily influenced by the creatures that lurk in the dark. Ooh.
Nocturnal.
When I was 3, my family migrated to the US. We lived a comfortable life, and I had a happy childhood. But one day, our family moved back to the Philippines because of my grandma. After 3 years in the Philippines, my grandmother died. You'd think we'd move back to the States, but my parents decided to stay here even after my lola's death. Living in the province was very different from what I was used to. My neighbors would always go back into their homes before dark. I was taught to say tabi-tabi po anytime I passed the big tree. We weren't allowed to sweep the floor at night. Actually, no. We weren't allowed to sweep the floor at night. I don't know why. Siguro tamad lang sila nun. Tapos ginawang, tapos ginawa sa superstition, wag pero tinatamad lang pala siya.
That was a few years ago. I recently graduated with a degree in marketing. I also met my fiancée, Myra, in college, and I was finally ready to take her home to meet the family. Life was good. Solid yung very privileged.
Yeah, it's like, na-build niya na agad yung character niya.
Are you sure they're gonna like me? My fiancé asked as we were driving to the province. Me, tracking shot. No?
Na-imagine mo na yung gagawin.
They're going to love you, baby. There's nothing not to love.
Wow.
I reassured her. She gave me a soft smile in return.
Wow.
Myra was born and raised in the Philippines. She's never even left the country. We were extremely different considering I was pretty westernized. I think may potential for international distribution.
Wow.
Green light natin to. We tracked down this writer. No? There were a few other strange things about her. Hala, ito na.
Ano na yun?
Creepy na. But I didn't really mind too much. She always wore this weird necklace.
Okay.
She never took it off, not even in the shower.
Okay.
Or when she went to sleep. But those were just little things I eventually got over.
Okay.
We're here, I said as I parked the car. My mother greeted me and my father took our bags inside. Who is this? My mom inquired upon seeing Myra behind me.
Ma, this is Myra, and we have something important to tell you. Buntis siya. For some reason, my mom didn't look so pleased. Oo nga, kasi buntis siguro to. She pulled me inside and whispered, I don't like her anak. She has no manners. Bakit? Malas lang ang dadalhin ng babae yan sa pamilyang to. I scowled at my mother. I can't believe you're saying all
Ano yung scald? At around 3:15 that morning. Creepy and yun na yung witching hour.
True.
Myra had gone to the bathroom at some point. I tried to go back to sleep, but I heard a strange fluttering noise in the background.
Ano yung fluttering?
Ano yung sound design na flutter?
Birds ba yun? Fluttering.
I went outside to investigate. I saw Myra standing behind a wall. So kung behind the wall, hindi niya na makikita. Or baka top shot, kaya nakita niyang behind the wall. Yeah, from the window.
Okay.
It looked like she was observing something. I inched closer to see what she was staring at. What I saw would forever be burned into my memory. Like hot iron branding a mark right onto the surface of my brain. I mean, grabbing figure of speech. I thought it was a chopped up log or something at first. But then I saw legs and it started to move ever so slightly. Lower half of a human body. I nearly screamed at the sight. But Myra saw me and shoved her hand onto my mouth.
She gestured to me to go back inside and lock the door behind her. Louie, listen carefully. Yung nakita mo, hindi mo dapat nakita yon. There are creatures here far beyond our understanding. Hindi natin sila nakikita kasi nakakapagtago sila dito, she said. So what did I just see? I asked her, still in shock. I think you know, sinabi to ng magulang mo, diba? The stories of beautiful women who turn into monsters at night. The ones whose bodies split in half. Manananggal. Manananggal nga siya! Oh my God!
Yeah, title. Push in
Manananggal. Ano yun eh, tapos bigla may swish ng air. I think that's why your mother wasn't too keen on the idea of us getting married. She knows who the Manananggal is, probably trying to protect it, Myra explained.
Why would my mother want to protect it? I asked Myra more about this, and she told me more about the legend of the Manananggal. Sabi nila, merong maliit na sisiw sa loob ng Manananggal. Kapag pinakain mo yung sisiw sa ibang babae, pinapasa mo rin yung sakit ng Manananggal. Medyo complicated yung life cycle nila. The next day, right after breakfast, Myra was already asking around about an albularyo. Well, my mom was still avoiding me. I almost wanted to go right up to her face and tell her that I knew her secret. But Myra told me I should hold off on telling my mom until she's fixed the problem.
By midnight, we were staking out in a little shed we had in the backyard to reveal the identity of the Manananggal. I thought I was shocked the first time. But to say I was unprepared for what I saw tonight would be an understatement. Who is that? Do you know her? Myra asked me. Yes, it's my grandmother.
Tudun. Very interesting yung Manananggal, no? Kasi very uniquely Filipino siya. Ang creative ng design, ang imaginative. The fact na hahati and then may lore pa with the sisiu and you know, yung top half lumilipad, yung legs grounded. Parang ang wild lang. Yun na yung challenge with identifying Manananggals. Kasi pwede mo i-assume na yung lower half belongs to the other upper half, no? Pero pwede hindi pala sa kanya yun, no? Parang yun yung problem with Manananggal, yung believability nga niya kasi ang wild. Tsaka paano ba sila lumilipad? Like, straight ba yung body or parang Superman?
May napanood ako na parang medyo slanted sila tapos gumagan.
Yung aerodynamics,
Ganun siya, direct. Parang maniniwala ako na meron pa ring mga spirits, you know? It's like, hindi naman pwedeng nawala na lang yung ano. So, depende na lang kung gaano ka-sensitive sa energy ng mundo. Parang ganun.
Ako naglo-look forward na nga sa modern ghosts.
Ano modern, direct?
Kasi di ba mga ghosts na nakikita natin laging from the previous century, luma yung suot. Parang hinihintay ko yung ghost na naka-Jordans na.
Hindi ako matatakot kung gano'n. Kaya makikita, sobrang outdated na ng outfit mo, te.
Yeah, parang may painting kasi kami na we had to, you know, for context, parang may deity dun sa painting na yun na totoong biblical deity. Siyempre, may certain energy yun, no? We kept it on set. Retreat place yun. So, may mga taong nagsistay doon na hindi nila alam na ano yun, design from our set. So, nung nakita ng isang bata na gusto lang mag-CR sa gitna ng gabi, natakot siya doon. And after nun, parang ang daming nagkaka-nightmare, ang daming nak-creep out doon sa painting na yun. So, nag-consult nga kami ng mga albularyo. Tapos sabi nila, sunugin na namin kasi may bad juju yung painting. And
ganda pa naman ng painting na yun.
Sayang.
Ganda talaga.
Pwede sana yung auction of
alam
Boss Toyo. Well, ako, as a filmmaker, no, talagang opportunity na to, very rare na may studio who can fully believe in the vision, and we really made a movie for the big screen. We really made sure na it's a complete cinematic experience for any genre fan, and we can't wait to share it with you, and I hope you support films like this kasi may encourage yung mga bigger studios to continue financing genre movies.
If gusto nyo makakita ng elevated horror, isama nyo na yung mga kaibigan nyo, mga pamilya ninyo. I think hindi mo siya mapapanood mag-isa. So, ayun, spread the word po, and please do watch the trailer.
If you like horror, if you like screaming out loud with your friends and have a good time in the cinema, Barkada movie, we didn't hold back, no? R16 yung lilim. So, alam nyo na may gore, may frights, may terror. Please watch it in cinemas nationwide starting March 12.
Wow, direct ka. Artista na siya. na.